SystmOne is a great system, but it can drive you nuts with all the things that pop up and slow you down when you're trying to work through a busy day. So this is a quick video to show you how to configure your preferences to avoid those as much as possible. On your menu, click on User and go to User Preferences. These are the things that you can control for yourself, and also it's worth noting no one else can do this for you. So unless someone's logged on with you, they can't change these things. There's a few things I recommend pretty much everyone change, and the first is notifications. So not all practices use them, but either way, perhaps best to put it to urgent notifications only. Next, protocols. This is the side window that you probably always ignore that shows you what's going on in the background that you don't need to know and often moves your SystmOne from one screen to another. I would turn that off. Lastly, tasks and receiving tasks. The default settings is to ping up any message where any task goes to you or any group you're in. I would select none. The only one I'd consider adding in there is urgent tasks. All the rest you'll get to. Looking at tasks is probably a normal part of your job, normal part of your day, but not what you want in the middle of typing up some notes. This bit down here, for the vast majority of users I would turn off. It used to be impossible to do that. They made some changes. You can turn them off, but it will only work, as it says here, if you've got organisation-wide rules configured. That's probably for your practice manager or someone else to look at. With certain roles, maybe GPs, maybe those working in meds management, you should keep those on because they are significant. But for most of us, we don't want those. Probably one last thing, sending tasks. Worth thinking about who the default is. Who you're sending tasks to most often and set it up to go there. Doesn't take long. One other little thing, whenever you make changes to SystmOne like this, it's important that you close SystmOne properly. If you then log off your computer without closing SystmOne first and log on the next day, none of these changes will have been saved. So press OK, maybe just to avoid going wrong, close SystmOne down at this point so it's all saved, job done. Finally, keep thinking of more things. If you work for multiple practices, as I do, you have to make these changes on each unit. Unfortunately, it's not things that carry through. So this is a new practice I'm starting to work with, hence needing to make those changes. Hope this helps. Thanks.